Yeah, I'm Rajesh Matevra from Mr. Kitchen, Pune. We are into the manufacturing and designing of modular kitchens in Pune for the last 17 years. And we basically cater to the B2C customers through our franchisee outlets across Pune city. We, being in the B2C customer industry, we have a lot of leads coming across, and managing the leads was a difficult task for us. We've been doing all this years through an Excel format. So the challenges which we faced was that we could not get the proper information, proper data. The sales representative were doing, neither proper follow-up was done. We didn't know to get the reminders. We used to forget the timely follow-up with the customers, and which was the major reason where we found that the needs were lost because of not a timely follow-ups. And also we did not have the proper information to analyze what went wrong after a long time. So that was a major challenge, and we do not know what to do, but we were struggling with our own thing for the last 15 years. Suhas Morathi has been a good friend of mine. We have been connected on a BNI platform for last almost 12 years. He's been rigorously following up and informing me about Sangam CRM and NG for last 4-5 years. But my hesitant to understand him and to listen to him, I was happy with what I was doing, and that delayed my process. But once Suhas gave me a book to understand cracking the code of CRM by Nimish sir, and after reading that book, I was really zapped, and also mistakes I was doing all these years while implementing the CRM which I had. I mean, after having the Excel data before, CRM before, I was working on Excel only. So all those mistakes were so much highlighted to me, and I know now this is the right thing I should go for. And I really thank Suhas for being so rigorously after me, and I would rather say forcing me to take Sangan CRM. It's been almost 7 months we have started using Sangan CRM. We started first implementing or collecting all the data which we had, existing data which we had in us, and try to import them into the Sangan CRM and getting the data cleared and cleaned exactly in terms of the different parameters which need to be monitored. After putting on them, we started following up upon the leads, logging on the calls, what's happening around. After then started converting those leads into respective opportunities as the process was there. And then trying to proper monitoring of the opportunities and lead, following up our team members, see what exactly is needs to be done. And now what we are going on to the reporting part next, we are trying to see how do we analyze what is happening around. So how many calls have been made, what is the status of what the leads to be there, who is doing what is missing around. So there are many things by which we are now able to smoothen our process, understand the total process about the lead to conversion and the opportunity conversion. And my team is now able to understand the loopholes or the small shortcomings of their team members and properly guide and mentor them so that they can make some most effective use of the data we have. So I really thank Sangam CRM for all this. Thank you very much.